If you're scratching your head over how to talk to women without stumbling all over your words, it's like trying to shout during a rock concert, am I right? But hold on to your hat, because I've got some pearls of wisdom that might just give your dating game a serious upgrade. Trust me, we've all been in that same boat. Trying to crack the code of connecting with the ladies can feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. It's like a maze out there, but I'm here to drop some knowledge bombs that could really shift your perspective. Unleash the mystery. Listen up, my friend. Ever heard of the mysterious factor? It's your secret sauce, your hidden ace in the hole. Ladies, they're all about the thrill of the chase, the suspense that keeps them on the edge of their seats. You know when you lay all your cards on the table right away? Yeah, that's like opening all your Christmas presents on Christmas Eve. You're killing the anticipation. Imagine you're diving into a brand new video game or reading a gripping novel. What makes them exciting? The element of surprise, not knowing what's coming next. That's exactly what you want when you're chatting up with a girl. But how the heck do you pull off this whole mystery thing? No sweat. It's not about living a double life or keeping a hidden stash of secrets. It's all about controlling the tempo of the story. Don't spill your entire life story in one shot. Instead, sprinkle in interesting subjects like your job, your obsession with vintage rock, or that epic backpacking adventure across Europe. The key here is timing. Let her uncover your layers at her own pace. This is the magic formula that makes you magnetic. So when you're in a convo with a girl and there's a pause, don't freak out. Give it a second, let her throw some questions your way. And when she does, don't launch into a marathon of answers right off the bat. Be a little enigmatic, keep her guessing. This is what keeps the fire burning, my friend. Let her take the stage. Here's the deal. If you really want to grab a girl's attention and hold on to it, let her do the talking. Seriously, just kick back and listen. It sounds simple, but a lot of dudes miss this memo entirely. We all love talking about ourselves. It's wired into our DNA. And guess what? The girl you're crushing on is no different. But if you're droning on about your car, your job, or your gym gains, you're taking a one-way trip down boring avenue. Girls aren't into self-absorbed chatterboxes. Now here's where the plot thickens. Switch it up. Ask her about her stuff, her favorite movies, books, music, and what lights her fire. Get into her dreams, her ambitions, the stuff that makes her tick. But don't just hear her. Really listen. I mean, genuinely understand what she's saying. When she's going on about her passion for painting or her dream to travel the world, pay attention. This is where the big points come in. Later on, bring up those topics again. Respond thoughtfully, not with just a bunch of head nods. Show her you're truly curious about what sets her soul on fire. If you've got this down, your convo will flow like a champ. Just keep it genuine, stay open, and let her know you're genuinely interested in her story. Embrace the clash. All right, this part is absolutely crucial, so don't skim through it. Here's the thing. Don't try to nod along with every single thing she says. You might think it's a slick move to agree with her to win some points, but trust me, that's a one-way ticket to the friend zone. It's fake, it's uncool, and it's like waving a red flag to a bull. Girls can smell fakeness from a mile away, my dude. You don't have to be on the same wavelength about everything, whether it's food, music, or movies. It's all good to have differences. Actually, these differences spark way more interesting conversations. You want to have some friendly clashes, spark some debates, and let your unique personality shine through. Being real is what sets you apart, and that's what gets a thumbs up from the ladies. The name game. All right, let's dive into the next level move. Be a stand-up guy and don't underestimate the power of using her name. You might think it's old school or cheesy, but trust me, it's a game changer. Using her name is like giving a nod of respect, not just in the dating game, but in life. It's like saying, hey, you matter and I'm paying attention. In the dating world, it's like turning up the volume on your conversation. Imagine you're at a party and someone calls your name across the room. What do? You turn around, right? That's the magic of using her name. It's a connection. It's like grabbing her attention by the collar. But hey, don't go overboard with it. Dropping her name every other sentence is just weird. Use it when it feels natural to emphasize a point or steer the convo. And when you do use it, make sure you do it with respect and a friendly vibe unless you're messing around. You want her to feel valued, not like you're trying to sell her something. Keep it straight up. All right, we're at the climax, my man. No need to hide your intentions like they're top secret documents. I'm not saying you should spill your guts or declare your undying love, that's just awkward. But what I am saying is, be real about your intentions. If you're into her romantically, don't play it off like you're just looking for a buddy to hang with. That's like trying to pull off a magic trick with a see-through curtain. It's not fooling anyone. Keeping your feelings under wraps doesn't do anybody any favors. It's just a one-way ticket to confusion junction. It's better to lay your cards on the table. But hey, don't go all in like you're at a poker game. Express your interest in a chill, confident way. Let her know you're intrigued and you're up for getting to know her better. Drop a compliment that's straight from the heart, not something that sounds like it's rehearsed. And remember, it's all good if her response isn't what you had in mind. It's better to know where you stand than to be stuck in daydream land. So remember, killer conversations aren't about magic tricks or playing mind games. They're about forging real connections, bridging the gap between two people. So just be yourself, own your quirks, and have chats that make her feel like she's being heard and appreciated. It's not about memorizing a script, it's about mastering the art of connecting. And always remember, the coolest thing you can be is yourself. If you like this video and want more tips to improve your life and relationship, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more high-quality content. Gods be with you.